Hi Taurians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for those who are looking for answers, for those who have a crush on somebody or they are not in touch with their person of interest and they really want to know what's happening. And also these are general readings. Do check your moon and rising for a better picture. Let's see what's happening at their end. What are they thinking? Okay, Taurians. You've had an argument, like I said, this month. You were supposed to really watch your tongue. Was it you? I guess it was you. What you don't see is a good offer. So I think they are quite upset, though they have passion for you. But I think you said something which I think they are very closed off after that. There's a lot of fire in this connection. There's a lot of I think you have a love and hate relationship with this person where you can't stay away from them but you can't stay with them, sort of a connection that you have. And after this argument, this person has really gone inside their shell, is what I feel. They are really not opening up because they're really holding on to the things you said. They're really upset about probably you have said something which I think they've really taken it to heart, what I'm thinking. Let me see if they speak to you, what will they want to tell you? What are they likely to tell you if they are talking to you? So they are a lot of pentacles here. They are likely to, I think there's a lot of, what you don't see is two of pentacles. They are likely to tell you that you are better than them and you deserve more, you deserve better, and what they have to offer you or what they can offer you isn't something very. I think they're feeling very demoralized. Taurians, have you really crushed their self-respect or ego or whatever? But they really feel that you are much better than what they are and what they can offer is what they will tell you if they have to tell you. Let me see what you feel about them. What do you feel about them? So you are in two minds about communicating with them, but you do feel that you really want to change the situation. You do feel that yes, let me talk to them. Let me apologize. Or, Magician is a very good card. Magician is a card of change. Is a card of positive changes. And you are wanting to talk to them, but you are still I think struggling to make a decision here. There's a struggle from their end also, but you at your end there is a strong positive need to communicate, and this is what you're thinking right now. Let me see what's the future of this connection. Let me see what's the future of this connection. Okay, I'll take one more card. So yes, you two will end this and then begin again. I think you two will be on a break before you begin again. You two, when you're on a break, you two might end up being with somebody else also. But yes, there will be a short break while you two, either you or they will date other people, and then you will be back. This is what I see. Hit like and subscribe if you think this resonated with you, and do keep tuned to my channel to have more information on your love life, your career, and your life in general. Thank you for watching.